Looking to create a beautiful courtyard garden in your home? In this video, we showcase over 50 of the best courtyard garden ideas that are perfect for small spaces. Whether you're dreaming of a cozy green escape, a sleek and modern minimalist design, or a vibrant floral paradise, we've got inspiring ideas for every style. From charming corner gardens to sleek, contemporary layouts, these ideas will help you transform your outdoor space into a tranquil retreat. Get ready to explore creative ways to maximize your small space and bring nature into your home in the most beautiful way. What you'll find in this video. One, creative courtyard garden layouts. Looking to design a courtyard garden that's both functional and stunning? In this video, we explore creative courtyard garden layouts that will transform any space into a peaceful retreat. Whether you're working with a small or medium-sized area, these unique ideas offer a variety of ways to incorporate greenery, cozy seating, and stylish features. Two space-saving design tips. In this video, we share space-saving design tips that will help you maximize every inch of your outdoor space. Whether you're working with a tiny balcony or a compact courtyard, we've got clever ideas to create a functional and beautiful garden. From vertical gardening and multi-purpose furniture to creative plant arrangements and compact decor, these tips will show you how to use your space efficiently without sacrificing style. 3. Best plants for small courtyards. Want to fill your small courtyard with beautiful plants without overwhelming the space? In this video, we highlight the best plants for small courtyards that thrive in compact areas. From low-maintenance shrubs and vibrant flowers to climbing vines and decorative grasses, we'll guide you through the perfect plant choices for creating a lush, green oasis. 4. Water features, lighting, and decor inspiration. We explore stunning ideas for water features, lighting, and decor to elevate your outdoor space. From tranquil fountains and serene ponds to soft, ambient lighting and eye-catching sculptures, these elements will bring a sense of calm and charm to your courtyard. We'll also share creative decor ideas, including stylish planters, unique furniture, and decorative accents to help you create a cohesive and inviting atmosphere. 5. Ideas for both modern and classic garden styles. We showcase ideas that blend both worlds, offering inspiration for creating a timeless space with a contemporary twist. Whether you're drawn to sleek lines, minimalist designs, and modern materials, or the charm of traditional plants, stone features, and vintage decor, we've got ideas for every taste. From modern geometric planters and sculptures to classic brick pathways and lush, romantic blooms. Why choose a courtyard garden? One, enhances your home's beauty and ambience. Whether it's adding vibrant plants, creating serene water features, or incorporating stylish decor, a courtyard garden can add a touch of elegance and tranquility to your surroundings. With thoughtful design, you can create a space that not only complements your home, but also boosts its charm and atmosphere, making every moment spent outdoors a delightful experience. 2. Creates a private outdoor retreat. By adding thoughtful design elements like privacy screens, lush greenery, and cozy seating, you can transform your outdoor space into a serene haven. Whether you're looking to relax with a good book, enjoy a cup of tea, or simply unwind in nature, your courtyard garden can provide the perfect sanctuary. Let's explore how to craft a private, tranquil space that feels like your very own getaway right outside your door. 3. improves air quality and relaxation. Explore how adding plants to your outdoor space not only enhances its beauty, but also purifies the air around you. With greenery like shrubs, flowers, and trees, your courtyard can naturally filter out pollutants, creating a fresher, healthier environment. Plus, the calming presence of plants promotes relaxation and stress relief, making your garden the perfect place to unwind after a busy day. 4. Perfect for urban homes with limited space. Living in an urban home with limited space, a courtyard garden is the perfect solution. In this video, we show you how to transform even the smallest outdoor area into a lush, functional retreat. With creative design ideas and space-saving tips, you can bring nature to your urban environment, whether you have a tiny balcony or a compact courtyard. Watch the full video for tons of inspiration and tips to transform your courtyard into a stunning green sanctuary. Whether you're aiming for a cozy retreat or a vibrant garden, we've got all the ideas you need. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more amazing gardening and home decor ideas to elevate your space. Be sure to turn on notifications so you never miss an update on the latest trends and tips.
Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.